Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crazy Craft with Ria. Hope you all like my efforts and appreciate my work. I was planning to make my YouTube channel for so long and finally the quarantine made it happen. I know it's not a good time, but quarantine helped us to look into our lives and made us realize what is important to us. I hope you all are doing well. Let's get started with the very first DIY I created for you all. So, here are the supplies which are needed. Notebook which I have covered with white sheet, pencil, black sketch pen, some paper flowers in different colors, fabric tape, a pair of scissors, different colored sparkle foam sheet, now cut this figure as shown. Now glue small ear on the top of big ear. Similarly, do it with other ear also. Now take the notebook and paste all the cuttings and flowers as shown. Now draw the eyes with black sketch. Now cut oval shapes for cheeks and glue it on the notebook. Take your fabric or washi tape, cut it according to length and breadth of your notebook. Now glue it onto the notebook by just peeling off the back cover. Glue tape on all the sides and on the back if you wish to do so. First design is completed. So here are the supplies which are needed for the second design. Fevicol, orange colored sheet, brown colored foam sheet, jute rope, thin cardboard, a pair of scissors, pink and black sketch and pencil, double-sided tape, and of course notebook, again covered with white sheet. and hot glue gun too. Take your notebook, measure length and breadth of your notebook. Now cut colored sheet according to size of your notebook. Paste the colored sheet. Draw the template of teddy bear and hot air balloon. Cut out teddy bear from foam sheet. Cut out hot air balloon too. Paste hot air balloon onto the thin cardboard sheet. Now, cut out balloon shapes from colorful foam sheet, or you could use any type of colorful sheet. Outline balloons and teddy bear with black sketch. Paste double-sided tape on cuttings as shown. Now, take jute rope, measure the length and cut according to it for each balloon. Now, paste jute rope as shown with the help of hot glue gun. Similarly, do it with other balloons and stick balloons on the notebook. And then paste all the ends together as shown. This part is optional. You could use any type of flowers or accessory. Here I have used a little bow. Second design is also completed. So, here are the supplies which are needed for third design. Notebook covered with white chart paper, double-sided tape, a heart puncher, pencil, bold marker, a pair of scissors, scale, black sheet or chart paper, golden sheet or chart paper. Now, measure breadth of your notebook. Then, cut out thin strips which should be 2 cm in height. Now arrange these strips line-wise as shown. Then glue these up. Now cut rectangle from golden sheet. It should be 11 cm wide, 8 cm in height, and mark lines from each side of 1.5 cm. Now take heart puncher, then cut out heart shapes and save those cutouts of it for decoration. Paste all these decorations as shown with glue. Now you could write your name or subject name on golden name plate with the help of black bold marker. Here, third design is also completed. So, here are the supplies for fourth design: orange foam sheet, orange colored plain sheet, red foam sheet, and printed foam sheet. Pair of scissors, glitter, red and orange marker, black bold marker, pencil, scale eraser, some toothpick, food stickers, transparent sheet, of course, notebook covered again in white chart paper, and hot glue gun. Now take the template of cupcake, cut the bottom part from printed sheet and upper part from both orange foam sheets. Make sure that there should be window in orange foam sheet. Now glue these parts as shown. Paste orange colored sheet but not orange foam sheet. Now cut out squares from transparent sheet, each side 7.5 cm. There should be 2 squares. Now stick all the 3 sides, leaving one side open with the help of cello tape. Fill this pocket with glitter. Now tape the fourth side with the help of cello tape. Now mark according to the icing and then again cut it. Paste the open edges with sellotape. Glue this pocket onto the icing with the help of hot glue gun. Then paste it over the orange sheet. To make sprinkles, take toothpick and color it with sketch pen. You could use paint too. Now place these sprinkles as shown and then glue it with the help of hot glue gun. Take orange and red marker. Apply outlining all over the cupcake. With the help of Q-tip, try to blend it in. This part is optional. If you want to write any quote, you could just do it. Place the stickers wherever you wish. Here, food design is also completed. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you next week and don't forget to subscribe, turn the bell notification on, click on thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.